I see you, Gav. But we're back. We're actually gonna work on Sally today. We're gonna move some brake lines, hopefully get this tub tack together, and gradually start on this. Since the Genesis has been turned around, we're good to go. Let's get to it. So we just put a hole through right here. What we're gonna do is run from here up, over, down through the hole. The hole comes out, focus, right there. And then we're gonna run across so that the little control arm can still air out, come down. This is where the old hole for the brake fitting used to be. Down to there, and then connect it to the front again. Okay, so we got brake line through. We're just gonna make a bend like right about here so we can come straight down with it. But I think we're gonna get it right over top of that air line so that it's nice and tight to the top hat, and then that way nothing ever pinches or hits when I air out. We had to cut it, we couldn't do it in one piece. So we're just gonna put a union right here and then straight to the ABS module. Should be pretty clean, pretty easy. Still gotta figure out how we're getting that grommet in there because that's a bastard, but that's okay, we'll get it. But all in all, not too shabby. We're gonna pull it back out, make a couple more bends here, and then we'll continue. Okay, so we got one side basically finished. We need a union. Larco didn't have it, so they ordered it in. It'll be here like Monday or Tuesday. But I'll give you guys a tour of our new driver's side brake line. So leaving ABS module, it's just gonna come underneath my air lines. And then this, once it's hooked up, is gonna connect right to there with the union. Down through, we got a grommet. Thank you, Megan. Comes out right there. And then down. And in. All inside the A-arms, so even when we're aired out, nothing will rub. Yeah, nothing touches. It's in between the top hat and everything. Yeah, we're good, man. We are good. So in an effort to keep everything behind the tray, there's where our new headlight harness is gonna run through. We do have a grommet for it, it's right there. We're gonna kind of fish this through, make sure everything looks okay, and then we can finally get to the tub. Alrighty, look at that, that looks better already. Grommet in, we put a little bit of paint there just because it was raw steel. It just flips right in. Right under here is a complete another gong show still. We'll deal with that. I just got it kind of like looped into the box. But now we can cut this tab and we're ready to tack this tub together, man. Stoked. Here we kind of like broke the edge on these with the grinder. That one there. And we're going to slip everything into spot. And before we weld it, we will show you guys kind of as we're going. I'm excited. Excited to see this. Okay, so we just draped a blanket over the fender, the wheels, just so like we don't end up wrecking something. Keep it pretty. But we're just gonna throw some tacks on this so that we can kind of start having it take shape. And we might actually have one like semi-done tonight. This is still like very rough, but we're getting there. First one's kind of just tacked in spot. I am using flex core, so do not judge my welds. But we're gonna tack it across the bottom. And then we can slowly bend it up to fill that gap at the top. And baby, we've got a tub half built. There we go. We got one kind of tacked up. We're gonna pull it out and we're gonna actually stitch weld it on the inside so that nothing moves. Do one more test fit. But like there's a bay picture, what it's gonna look like. I like it. This side, like no more wiring, no more nothing. Yeah, we're getting there. Okay, so last night we got the second tub tacked together. I didn't want to bore you guys with just watching me weld, so I will kind of catch you guys up on where we're at now. But we ran the brake line on the other side and moved the harness too, so Really happy how this side turned out. This is the new location for the harness. I was able to use the factory ground mount still. The new location for the brake line. And it just rides across the back there and into the ABS module. And then we've got it come across the bag, then down and in. Yeah, but we're making progress. We got the second tub welded together last night. I'm gonna flip them over and get them ground up so they look better. And then I've got probably put them back in just for a test fit again. But we're starting to make progress. We've got the Genesis to a point where I can kind of focus on mine again, which is good. But I'm gonna get this all cleaned up so that I can show you guys what it looks like with both sides done. It's kind of a good visual on what we're leading into here. I have cut all the little pieces for all the U's where the wiring used to come out. I'll give you a little bit of like a example here. Like here's our stack. They're gonna fill all of them. But this is kind of like what we're gonna do. These will sit in here and we're just gonna tuck them in and voila. They disappear. We're getting there. I gotta pull the harness off the tranny still and the starter, and then that whole thing can come out and we can start putting holes through the firewall for that. But like I also gotta plug weld every one of these little things all the way across. So I got days inside of here. But I think that's where we're gonna end this one. Kind of a lame one, I know, but we got the brake lines moved. We got the headlight harnesses moved, and we have all the pieces cut to start tacking them in and making it kind of look like it was a tub or shaved. Yeah, thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you learned something. I'm learning as I'm going here, but we'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.